Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this morning I was watching NIkkie Tutorials, having my tea, and I watched her create this challenge called the First Letter Challenge. So the way this challenge works is that you can only use brands that names start with the first letter of your name. So my name's Emma. Hi, nice to meet you. So I can only use brands that start with the letter E. Now, as some of you guys might know, e.l.f. is one of my favorite brands of all time, and I think I got pretty lucky because e.l.f. starts with an E. I zoomed in a little bit because the brightness was all like weird, so yeah, sorry. So other brands that I get to use other than e.l.f. would be Essence, Ico, Estee Lauder. So yeah, I'm very excited to jump into this challenge. Today I moisturize my face with an e.l.f. moisturizer, and yeah, let's see how it goes. The only primers I have that brands start with an E is e.l.f. So today I'm going to be using my Luminous Putty Primer. This is just my preferred one. I have several from e.l.f., but this is the one that I want to wear today. It is not the most hydrating. I mean, it's a little hydrating, but not really. I would prefer one of my hydrating ones, but I don't have any. So for foundation, I had two options. I had my e.l.f. foundation or my Estee Lauder foundation. So I'm going with my Estee Lauder because it's one of my favorite foundations of all time. So today I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's one of my favorites, and I'm really excited that Estee Lauder starts with an E, because I am very glad to be using this foundation today because I love it so much. I actually get to use my favorite foundation and my favorite concealer. Like I said, I got extremely lucky, and e.l.f. is the brand that is saving my butt today. And if you guys haven't seen Nikkie's video, I will link it down in my description box. I believe she's the one that started this challenge. Based on the way she talked in the video, it sounded like she's the one that started it. So I'm using my EcoTools sponge because EcoTools starts with an E. This is the only tool that I have that I think starts with the right brand, but yeah, if I tried to do tools too, I wouldn't have any brushes, which probably would have been interesting, but Nikkie didn't do that, so I'm not doing that. Now for concealer. Now, as I said, e.l.f. is really saving my butt today. So today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is my current favorite concealer. If it wasn't for e.l.f., I wouldn't have a concealer today. Now I am concealed, and we have a problem. I do not have a powder. I have no powders. I have nothing to powder my face with, which wouldn't be really a problem if it wasn't for the concealer. I really need to powder under my eyes. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette, and I'm going to take this little like creamy shade right here, and I'm going to try my hardest to set underneath my eyes and set right here and set around my nose. Wish me luck. I mean, this is slightly pink, which isn't great because I definitely do not have pink undertones. I've got like neutral yellow undertones, so using a pink powder isn't great, but at least we have set, you know, the parts that really need set. When picking out all this makeup, I didn't think I had any brow products. I was like, okay, I guess I'm just not doing my brows, and I really need brows or I look crazy. And then I went to go put all of my makeup in my, you know, handy dandy little makeup container I have here, and I saw this sitting in that container. This is an extremely old and definitely expired e.l.f. Brow Duo. Now, I use this for the mirror every time I do my brows. So I never really think about it as being an actual brow product. I just think about it as a mirror. So, once again, e.l.f. saved my life, and I'm going to have brows, but I have to use this. And this is disgusting and expired, and I don't want to use it. I've had this for like 6+ years. I've had this since I first started doing makeup. I don't know. Their makeup wasn't that great back in the day. Their makeup really like fit the price tag back in the day. So this is like not great. Oh, it feels like wax. Okay, going in with the powder now. Oh no. Oh, this is a nightmare. No, this is not good. I can't get anything to stay in this middle part right here. When NIkkie did her brows, she had like one of her favorite products. I do not have one of my favorite products. It just occurred to me that I could use a shadow, so I'm going to take a little bit of the shadow from the Mad for Matte palette, and I'm going to try and save these brows. So moving on, because my brows are a lost cause and I don't want to talk about it, next is bronzer. So today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. bronzer in Forever Sunkissed. These are the primer infused ones. I love this bronzer, but it's very matte, so I don't wear it too often. Now, so this video isn't completely e.l.f. I do have an Essence blush. It's the blush. I have mine in the shade Blooming. It's very beautiful. I heard Kathleen Lights talking about these blushes, and I literally ran to the store and got them. And it was very exciting because my CVS in my town just got Essence, and like, yes. And it's a matte blush. It's kind of like a peachy pink. It's beautiful. I do like it a lot. I've only gotten used to it a couple times, but it's so gorgeous. So I am happy with that, although I'm looking very matte, and I do not love a matte face. So next we have e.l.f. again, and this is actually one of my favorite products. This is the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette. I absolutely love this palette. I love this shade right here, and I also love this one right here. They are gorgeous. This highlighter palette is amazing, and I'm just so thankful that e.l.f. starts with an E. For anyone getting annoyed with me saying e.l.f. and not e.l.f., it drives me crazy when people say e.l.f. Like, I know, yeah, a lot of people call it e.l.f. now, but even the website used to be eyeslipsface.com. I don't know if it still is. But like when they first started, it was eyeslipsface.com because it stands for eyes, lips, face. I don't know. I guess it's just because I've always called it e.l.f. because I've never bothered calling it e.l.f. because I think that's gross. So I just did a lot of talking and I wasn't recording. So on to eyeshadow. I had a few different e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes to pick from, and the one I'm choosing to go with is the Rose Gold Sunset palette. And I'm going into the shade right here, which I've already gone into it because I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. I'm glad my camera shuts off when it's not like recording, because otherwise I would not have known that I wasn't recording and I would have just kept talking. I'm gonna take that same shade on a different brush, a little bit fluffier brush, so I can like actually like blend it out a little bit better. Okay, now I'm going to take the By Size eyeshadow palette in Cream and Sugar because I really want to use this shade, but I also want to take this brown to deepen up the outer corner a little bit. I just want to pack it on there and then I'll blend it out with the other color. I'm gonna go ahead and take this like kind of browny, like olivey green color. I'm gonna put that on the like outer half of my eye. Oh no. I also kind of want to try to take it on a brush to blend it out a little bit. Like out and up into the crease a little bit. Okay, this isn't too bad. This isn't going too bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. Now taking the Cream and Sugar palette, I'm gonna take this beautiful foiled shade, and I'm just gonna put that on like the inner half, I guess. Oh, and I've got a fallout mess happening. I'm just gonna take this brown right here and run it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the olivey green color, and I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line as well. Alright, I'm gonna go try and create this on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Quickly off camera, I did my liner and my mascara. So for eyeliner, I used the I Do liquid liner, and this used to be one of my absolute favorites, but for some reason today I just like could not get it to work for me. And I don't know why. My eyeliner is fat on this side and weird on this side, and this side of my face is just not having a good time today. My eye feels very tender like right here, so like trying to do my eyeliner was not happening. And for mascara, I used the Essence Lash Princess Fall Slash Effect Mascara. Try saying that 5 times fast. And this is one of my favorite mascaras. I absolutely love it. I will probably always love it. It does take a few coats to build up anything dramatic, but this honestly is one of the best affordable mascaras I can find. And it's only $4. It's great. I love it. Before moving on to lips, the last step, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. This is like the coconut one. I love this setting mist. I use it on a daily basis. For lipstick, I only had 2 options. I had the e.l.f. Nabella Noir, the lip cocktail, so the one that goes with this lip liner, and then I had an Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte liquid lipstick. So I'm doing both, and the Color Boost is in Dusty Romance. So I'm going to be using both of these since they're pretty much the same color. It's just like a warm brown, so hence the eye look. Hopefully it matches the eye look okay. I don't know how to overline my lips. I do really like this. I've only worn it I think twice, but it smells really nice, and like the shape of the doe foot is very interesting. It's kind of like hourglass shaped. It's kind of cool. I would like to get more colors of this. I really like it. And we are done. Does this look like an Emma look? I don't know. This is my full face using only makeup brands that start with the letter E. Overall, it's pretty good. I mean, I gotta use a lot of e.l.f., which is one of my favorite brands, but I did use some things I don't normally use, like the brow product I never use ever. The eyeshadow, I never use that Sunset palette. I should because it's beautiful, but I never use it. Bronzer I don't use a lot because it's very matte. But overall, I think I'm really okay with this look. I think I look alright. Let me know, like, what brands can you guys use? I'm curious. I need to get more makeup that starts with an E. Like I said, I will link Nikkie's video down below so you guys can watch it. I had so much fun doing this, and I had a lot of fun watching her video. So yeah, I hope you guys do too, and if you want to do this challenge, do it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single Saturday. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It would really help me out if you guys would like it. And yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!